this is Dr. Jeff Camarda with a bit of a journey into case studies on investor abuse. These are annuity tales from continuing education. I've been doing a lot of continuing education this time of year, as I typically do. Here are some stories I think you'd find interesting from one of my texts about poor annuity sales. Sadly, Camarda sees evidence of similar abuses every day, or nearly every day, as we talk to new prospective clients. And here they are. So number one, an investment advisor sold I didn't write this. This is a copy from the text from a WebCE, a resource I use. An investment advisor sold approximately $1.2 million in variable annuities to senior investors between the ages of 72 and 87 and earned nearly $98,000 in commissions. These investment products were not suitable for the clients, and in one case, the annuity issuer had a policy against selling variable annuities to anyone over the age of 75. The advisor was fined $25,000, her registration was suspended for 4 months, and she was prohibited from selling variable annuities or handling accounts for individuals over the age of 65 for 5 years. But still out there, be careful. The sanctions in many cases don't nearly match the degree and the pain and the abuse some of these people can cause. Tale number two, a financial services firm engaged in abusive sales practices and inadequate supervisory procedures for recommending inappropriately high-risk investments to its clients, many of whom were retired or approaching retirement. The firm was sent agent engaged in a twisting scheme that's getting people to flip from one policy to another, one annuity to another, just to make commissions, in which he convinced clients to surrender their existing annuities in exchange for new ones solely to generate commissions. The agent never disclosed that the clients would incur an early termination penalty. In one case, an elderly client lost nearly $14,000 for surrendering his annuity when the agent earned more than $17,000 in commissions. Over a 6-month period, the agent engaged in twisting more than 80 times. How many boats did he buy, I wonder? Even after his license was revoked, the agent continued to sell annuities by forging another agent's name to transact business. The agent was sentenced to 27 months in federal prison and ordered to pay more than $500,000 in restitution. And I tell you, folks, this kind of chicanery, this helter-skelter, this skullduggery type of approach to financial product sales is very, very common. And for everyone that gets caught, there are probably dozens or hundreds that don't. Next tale, an insurance producer recommended a 76-year-old single woman who was suffering from memory problems terminate an investment account containing certificates of deposit, CDs, stocks, and bonds, and deposit the funds into an annuity. After investing almost $500,000 in the annuity, and I use the term investing loosely, which constituted virtually all of her liquid assets, the woman learned that the annuity contained a 9-year surrender period. Her life expectancy was only 12 years. God forbid, the annuity also paid lower returns than the investment account that she got convinced to get out of. To move the funds into the annuity, the elderly woman paid nearly $10,000, including over $6,000 in commissions. The agent's license was suspended. Again, probably back out there and conducting similar business to this day. So these are some cautionary, chilling tales, folks. And again, the lack of advisor education, fiduciary mandates, and the ability to sell products with the very lowest suitability bar being legal. These were abusive practices. But I tell you, bad stuff happens every day. Take note. And if you have friends that haven't been indoctrinated in the Camarda way and familiar with fiduciary standards and so forth, please pass this video on to them so they're aware at least of some of the pitfalls that await the modern investor. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. This is Dr. Jeff Camarda. I appreciate your patience with this one. Hopefully you found it useful. Until next time, have a wonderful and peaceful holiday season. Thank you. Bye-bye.